Swift UI or UI Kit. How to choose the right framework for your iOS app. Hi, my name is Anuj. I'm Tech Lead at TechHugo. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the differences between the Swift UI and UI Kit. So let's start. Swift UI and UI Kit both are great frameworks to build your next iOS application. But when starting a new iOS Xcode project, you have to make a choice. Let me tell you everything you need to know so you can confidently make the right decision for your situations. A more visually oriented programmer would prefer UI Kit, while a more programmatic oriented programmer would prefer Swift UI. So let's dive in and determine which approach is best for you. Let's start with UI Kit first. UI Kit is a part of Cocoa Touch, which was released as a part of iOS SDK in 2008. With UI Kit, the ability to make the user interfaces is possible without having any strong programming background. This is due to the introduction of storyboard and drag and drop solutions. But this comes with distinct drawbacks. The ability to build user interfaces programmatically in UI Kit is much more difficult as compared to Swift UI. Now coming to Swift UI. Swift UI is relatively a new part of Apple's ecosystem, which was released in 2019 as a version 13 of iOS SDK. Swift UI is now a viable solution for many iOS developers, especially targeting iOS 14 and 15. But Swift UI has some limitations with iOS 13. So let's discuss the major differences between Swift UI and UI Kit. Point 1. With Swift UI, Apple has discarded Interface Builder in favor of Live Preview. Point 2. To work with Swift UI, you have to accept iOS version 13 as a minimum supported version. If it is not possible, you cannot work with Swift UI. Point 3. There is much more UI Kit content available as compared to Swift UI. Point 4. There is a lot of beautiful animations and transitions available with Swift UI. If you want more animations in UI Kit, then you have to write explicitly within your code. Here are my final thoughts. Each project will have its own use cases for Swift UI and UI Kit. However, in future, Apple will begin deprecating UI Kit. This is due to better optimized Swift UI for newer devices. For now, UI Kit is taking win here. This is no surprise, UI Kit is much more matured as compared to Swift UI. But Swift UI is getting better each year.